Hi everyone! Today we're diving into one of the most essential skills in After Effects, creating and animating a glow. First, we need a new composition. Go to Composition, New Composition. We're using a standard 1920 by 1080 resolution at 29.97 frames per second. Make sure your background color is set to black. This is crucial for making our glow effect stand out. Now, let's add some text. Grab the Type tool from the top toolbar, or just hit Ctrl+T. Click in the center and type GLOW in all caps. If I want to align the object, I can use a line tool to perfectly position that. Use the Align panel to make sure your text is perfectly centered in the frame. In the Character panel on the right, I'm choosing a bold font to give the effect more surface area to work with. Create a solid layer and move this, dragging it as a background. Create the stopwatch to create first keyframe. Add a value of 100. Move the playhead forward and change the value to 0, and a pulsing animation is created. Before we add the glow, let's give our text some color depth. Search for Gradient Ramp in the Effects and Presets panel. Drag it onto your text layer. This allows us to create a smooth transition between two colors, which will act as the base for our luminous effect. You can adjust the start and end points of the ramp in the effect controls. Now for the main event, search for the glow effect and apply it. In your effect controls, you'll see glow threshold, glow radius, and glow intensity. The radius determines how far the light spreads, while intensity controls how bright it is. Play with these values until you get a soft neon-like look to create a pulsing animation. Once you're happy with the look, go to File Export, add to Render Queue to save your work. And that's it! Export your animation and drop it in the comments.